Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chrysler 300 front bumper. Before we begin, it's important to gather your tools. You'll need a trim tool, a 10mm socket, a 7mm socket, and a ratchet. Safety is key, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported if you need to raise it. Also, have a soft surface ready on the ground to protect your bumper once it's off the car. Next, we'll tackle the fender liners and top fasteners. Start by removing the 3 plastic push pins from inside each front wheel well. A trim tool makes this job much easier. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal a 10mm bolt at each corner of the bumper. Remove these 2 bolts, one on each side. Finally, remove the 4 plastic push pins situated along the top of the bumper, close to the grille. Now, let's move to the undercarriage and electrical connections. You'll find several push pins on the belly pan. Remove all of these with your trim tool. Following that, there are typically about 8 7mm bolts running across the bottom of the bumper that also need to be removed. Before pulling the bumper completely off, remember to carefully disconnect the wiring harnesses for your fog lights and side marker lights. These are usually simple clips that just need a gentle squeeze. With all the fasteners and electrical connections detached, the bumper is ready for removal. Gently grab the bumper from both sides and pull it straight forward, away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any remaining clips or wires. Once free, carefully place it onto your soft surface. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process. Ensure all 10mm and 7mm bolts, along with the push pins, are securely fastened, and all electrical harnesses are reconnected for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.